It's day 2 of van life, and if you're new to our channel, then let's update you of what's been going on.
We are Lauren and Reese, a couple from the UK who have just finished travelling Asia for 4 months, and now it's time for our biggest adventure yet.
Where we travel from Sydney all the way up to Cairns in a camper van. So if you want to see these two clueless pommies document their life around the East Coast, then be sure to stick around.
So we actually slept pretty well last night in the little camper van, didn't we?
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. I actually have a hell of a lot more room than I thought we would. I mean, the van is a lot bigger than we thought it would be anyway, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's nice and cosy, although we did get a little bit cold halfway through the night because Reese was like, where's the blankets? So we had to get a couple of blankets out. And then this morning, we just had a bit of a slow morning, didn't we? Made some coffee, had some cornflakes, and how gorgeous was that view opening the van door?
Honestly, opening the doors this morning to just see this ocean, it was so nice. It has just started raining a little bit at Seal Rocks.
Yeah, when we decide to step out for the camper and go for a nice little stroll along the beach, it starts to rain. Thanks.
So we're gonna hop back into the van, have a little bit of a tidy up, and then we're gonna make our way to our next destination. So we were really fortunate last night. When we arrived at Seal Rocks, we saw a couple of people lining up and they looked like they were staying here. So I asked, and they were like, yeah, well, there's no sign saying you can't. So we were like, yeah, well, what time was it? About 9 o'clock?
Yeah, 9.
It's about 9 o'clock. Couldn't be bothered to go to the site that we originally booked. So we stayed here and we were absolutely fine. So if you want to come to Seal Rocks and stay the night, you know you'll be all right. Yeah, lovely. The first plan of action is to actually get an internet connection so I can then put in our next destination. I think in our previous plan we were supposed to explore Port Macquarie today, which I think we're still going to do. We just didn't stay in that other place. So as of right now, it's fine service and fine Port Macquarie.
Does anyone else's boyfriend just ignore what they say and just kind of just do the opposite? Yeah, great sound, because so does mine.
Probably 2.5 hours with Lauren's wee stops, but an hour and 45 minutes according to this.
My family have recommended I get a bucket, and I think I might get a bucket as a wee bucket.
Lauren is a bucket.
Who doesn't want to get a wee bucket?
Right, let's go.
Let's
We're going to
go.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time.
Reese is doing really well at driving. I'm so proud of you, my little van camper driver.
Camper van driver.
Van camper.
Van camper. Glad driving of Reese van camper driving petrol station.
We need to put the little Star Wars guy here. That's me.
That's the one you are.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the petrol cap is here. Don't do what I do and not know where it was. Just,
Oh, it smells of petrol.
Are you retarded?
It smells of petrol.
We're at the petrol station.
Fucking put your flip-flops on, you're going inside. I know you're trying to be Australian, but they still wear their shoes indoors.
Or get 3 for...
11,
yeah, get 3 for 11. All the water. Right. So we just made a little purchase, which is going to make our life a lot easier. We have bought one of these.
Hi.
There we go. Look, Lauren's in the back there somewhere. So we bought one of these, so I don't have to quickly look into my left. So it's going to go in the air vent, hopefully make navigating a lot more easier. Lovely, that'll do. If you are new here as well, we are going to be noting down every single cent, penny that we spend. So if this road trip is something that you guys are looking at doing, then follow along, because we're not going to be really skimping it. So at the end of this series, we'll break down exactly how much it cost, how much the van was, everything. But yeah, let's hit the road again.
You're a waterfall, I'm a fire. No surprise we don't go together.
So we have arrived at Port Macquarie. We're going to be exploring here, but what we're going to do is we want to finish at the Lighthouse Beach, which I believe is like the Port Macquarie beach, but there's a load along this coast. So we're going to carry on, I guess. Got about 15 minutes till we get to the Lighthouse Beach, but if there's any of these ones, I mean, there's loads. You've got Oxley, Rocky, Flynn's, Nobby's, Shelley, loads of beaches. So we're going to make our way along the coast, I think. actually a little tap here, so I'm going to take the hose that's in the boot and see if we can just quickly top up our water. But there's no harm in doing that as we've got it, is there? The way things are going at the moment, I don't really know where we're going to be staying tonight, so...
Let's prepare. We're going?
Okay.
Water's going.
Oh my god, we're right campers. Look at this.
How do you know when to stop?
I don't know.
It went everywhere. Look, there's the evidence. All the water's there.
We still owe you guys a van tour as well.
That'll be coming this afternoon.
We need to do that this afternoon, yeah, when we set up, I think.
So we've just pulled up to our first beach along this coastal area, and this is called Oxley Beach, but so far it looks stunning. Like, look how nice it looks. It's a joke. And on the plus side, it's not even busy at all. There's like a couple of people down there, so we're gonna go down and check out this beach and enjoy it because it looks bloody beautiful.
All my minds and my seas, all I need from you to me.
Guys, I don't know if you can hear this, but I don't know what it is, but it's squeaky sand.
Are you warm?
No, it's squeaky sand. It's a squeaker.
You're a squeaker.
You to me. All my minds and my seas, all I need from you to me. Why can't you see?
We have just arrived at the Port Merion Beach, the Lighthouse Beach, and it looks insane. I have just seen a warning sign for snakes though. That's not very good, is it? Sometimes like you forget where you are, and Australia is definitely one of them. You get so caught up in how cool everything is, you forget that everything here, there's a high chance of it killing you, so that's good.
Minds and my seas, all I need from you to me.
Lauren's just made an incredible plan. We're going to be using the toilet and shower that they have here at the Lighthouse Beach. This beach is incredible, highly recommend coming here.
So beautiful. You've got like the cliffs, it's a massive stretch of beach, it's just stunning.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely add this one to your list. We actually need somewhere to stay tonight because again, the accommodation that we've booked is 6 hours away. I don't know what the hell we were thinking with
We're
this
not
plan.
doing that.
So we're going to find somewhere, we're actually going to find somewhere near Hat's Head National Park, which is meant to be incredible. So we're going to journey up there. We need to stop off at a shop because we need to get some bits in for food. So that is the plan. But first, let's have a shower.
Let's go get clean.
Clean.
Clean. Fine.
Yeah. Healthy. Naughty. 185?
Yeah.
It's 320.
Should I need bags today?
Yes, please.
Yeah, sure. How's your day been today?
Right, let's go find somewhere to eat our Domino's. Reese couldn't resist. It's super cheap here. It's like $7.99 for an extra large pizza and then $5.99 for a small or something. So these two pizzas cost us $12.99, which is like £7 in England or something stupid, isn't it? So cheap. So not the healthiest, but van life.
Convenient.
Convenient, yeah. Right.
I know exactly where I'm going to be taking us to eat this pizza. When we get there, Lauren's going to be like, oh my God, of course. Why would we not? Why would we not go to this place? But yes, it's going to be, fingers crossed, not too busy. And second, amazing.
Yay.
The fact that this is what we're eating and this is our view right now is insane, isn't it?
What the hell? Feeling my mouth is full of pizza.
So grateful for just everything.
Grateful. So nice. Like just enjoying nature, good food, all right company. I'm
Yes.
joking.
It's not too bad, is it? I mean, look, this is what I have to deal with.
Me! Fun! We have to do a pizza cheers. Grab a slice. I'm scoffing my mouth and you haven't started.
Cheers!
Cheers, babe!
Woo!
Should we make a move?
Yes.
We have leftover pizza. Yay!
just a little bit of an insight into what happened, because
My dress.
because we messed up. So we went to the free campsite, which was absolutely fine, but
Yeah.
due to our Seal Rock experience, we thought we'd try our luck and find somewhere else.
Did not go as planned. We were driving around Hat Head National Park. It got dark. There was a paid, like a pre-booked campsite we found, but obviously we hadn't pre-booked and no one was there. So we had to go back to our other place, which was
Yes.
fine. It had toilets. I saw them this morning.
It was still
last
lovely. It was
night.
still lovely. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's still very nice. It was
For
free.
free,
Yeah, so it was
Sunday.
back at the Macquarie River Hotel.
Yeah, we'll
I believe
pop
it was
it
called.
here, so
Yeah, you can have a look for
actual
yourself.
name.
Now we're going to give you this van tour we've been promising you. So let's get into it. Right, so this is our amazing van. I won't show you the inside just yet, because I know that's exactly what you all want to see, but we'll start around the outside. But we've actually got an awning which we're buzzing about. Haven't had a chance to set it up yet, but we will get around to it when we start staying at places for a little bit longer. We've got the huge open back door with a bunch of storage under there. Walking around to the more adult side, the more boring side, power socket, water, and then the gas, which we turn on and off every time we use it because we don't want to blow up. And then moving into the driver's side. So fully automatic. This is a Toyota Maxi long wheelbase van, high top as well. Cruise control, everything. It's been amazing to drive, to be honest. Also, it has reversing cameras, which we only found out last night because it was pitch black and I reversed. And the screen pops up on the rear view mirror. Never seen that before, so that's quite cool. Let's go to the inside.
welcome to the inside, the fun bit. We'll start with the kitchen. So we've got a gas cooker here, which is really nice where we make our cups of tea. So that's really simple. We've got quite a lot of storage. I was actually surprised, and it comes with everything kitted out. All the cutlery you need, chopping board, plates, bowls, cups, everything. And then in here, they actually supply you again with loads of, I haven't even opened it all, loads of utensils, bowls, saucepans, everything you need. So that's perfect. And this one's my little favourite one. This one is cute. So we put all our kind of like dry food bits in there. And then this one is also great. It's got another little storage cupboard. It came with cleaning stuff as well, which was pretty good. We've got this big sink here, so you've got to either pump it to get the water out, or as I do, just use the pump button. So simple. We do have a microwave, but we have to be plugged in to a powered site to use that. And we do have a fridge, and we have stocked up on, I'm gonna be able to see, but stocked up on all the essentials. It's not mega cold, but it's cold enough, so it will do. We've got this storage bit here, which has kind of got all our clothes in and bags and stuff. And then this side, there's one up here. This does, get my shoes off. This does actually turn into a bunk bed. You can fold these out and it clips in here. So you can actually have another person, or if Reese annoys me, he can go in the top and I can have this all to myself. This is the bed. It's great. There's so much room for activities.
So many activities!
But when we actually have, once we set the bed up, we've actually kept the bed how it is, but you can actually, you take out the two cushions here in the middle, and you can insert a table. We'll insert a clip of that now because I'm not going to try and set that up because that'll be a disaster. And then we have got some power sockets on this side. Again, we need to be plugged in. We also have some under bed storage here. We've kind of got all our stuff in here. You can access it on the top as well just by taking the cushion off. It's actually way more roomy than we thought it would be. Another plus is we've got this fold out table right here. So when we're having breakfast or we need a bit of room to put some stuff on, we can do that, set up the chairs and just chill out outside the van. So yeah, perfect. It's literally everything we need. We've just pulled into Hat Head National Park. We are going to be exploring this whole park today. It looks insane. There's kangaroo walks, there's so much to do. But if you want to stay caught up on what we get up to and what this park looks like, then you're going to have to stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.